Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set camera options on OPPO phones. Setting the camera options on OPPO phones is straightforward and allow you to make the most out of their powerful camera features. And this is a step-by-step guide. First, you can just open the camera application. You can adjust the basic camera setting first. Tap on this gear icon at the top right corner, and in here you can just go to the more settings. Here you can modify basic settings such as the photo resolution. You can choose higher resolution for better quality. You can also adjust the video resolution. So for the video, you can set video quality to options like 4K, 1080p, or 720p. And you can also enable grid lines to help you with the photo compositions. And next, you can also adjust the shutter sound. You can toggle it on or off based on your preferences. And if you want to, you can also just explore the camera modes in here. Let's just open the camera. Here there's this photo mode default for regular photos, and there's also this portrait mode. You can add a bokeh effects to the background for professional looking portraits. There's also this night mode that will enhance low light photography. And then there's also expert or pro mode. If you click on more, there's this pro a mode that you can use to adjust settings like ISO, white balance, shutter speed, and focus manually. And then there's also the panorama here panel with that will allow you to capture wide angle shots. And there's also a macro, and this one 50 megapixel slow-mo or documents. You can also use filters and AI feature if that is available. You can just tap on the filter. You can see there will be this one filter icon, and you can choose the filter to add creative effects on your photo. Then you can also enable HDR or high dynamic range. You can just look for the HDR icon on the camera screen. This one on my phone is at the top. You can toggle it to auto for balanced lighting or on for high contrast scenes. And the last one, you can save photos to SD card, but this is optional, so you can just set the default storage location to your SD card if available to save space on your phones. And in the last step, you can update camera software. You can go to the settings, software update, and ensure your phone softwares and camera application are updated to access the latest features. And an additional tips, you can use the volume button as a shutter key for steadier shots, and don't forget to clean the camera lens regularly for clear photos. And you can just explore OPPO's ultra steady video for smoother video recording. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.